Hi everyone! Today we are going to talk about what is CVVT, Continuously Variable Valve Timing System. The CVVT is Hyundai name for his VVT, same as Kia CVVT engine, positioned at Hyundai Sonata exhaust camshaft, controls the open and close timing of intake valve to improve engine performance. Different car manufacturer has different name to differentiate their own variable valve timing. For example, VVTi is the name Toyota use, while Honda use VVT. This unprecedented design changed the way to control the intake and exhaust valves, open and closing time with hydraulic weights. It was found that the engine was starving for higher volume air-fuel mixture as the intake valve opening time reduced at high speed. Also, the exhaust gases were lack of time to fully expel at higher RPMs. CVVT engine system adjusts the intake valve timing longer at higher RPM. With the advanced intake valve and longer delay exhaust, it allows more air entering the engine at higher RPM. It delivers optimal air-fuel mixture, fully fill the combustion chamber, and the oil efficiency improves. This just reminds me of my swimming training memory. I always feel doubting when I can't breathe well and struggle for more air when I tend to swim faster. I really wish I could have the Olympian flying fish Phelps' lung so I can feel easier to breathe in the pool. Yes, VVT system is just like using Phelps' lung equipped onto a normal human to let engine chamber can breathe easier at higher RPMs. You can imagine if now we download an extension app on the Phelps lung to monitor the lung's actions, to let it act more sensitive. Do you think will the lung works even better? Does it remind you of any parts related to the VVT? Yes, that's the VVT solenoid. See the below link and refer to our before article. What causes a falling variable valve timing VVT solenoid and how to fix bad oil control valve. You can get more information to maintain your variable valve timing solenoid. More and more new vehicles like VVT design as it brings significant benefit. Number 1. Fuel consumption reduction. With VVT overlapping time adjustment of intake and exhaust valves, more air can get into engine in time. So, it reduces fuel consumption and improves oil efficiency. Number 2. Emission reduction for environment friendly. VVT design has efficiently reduced NOx emission by EGR effect since 2007. Also, the CO and CO2 emission also reduced due to fuel combustion. Number 3. Torque increase at low speed, so car performance improved. Number 4. Overall, the power distribution is better across different RPM range. There are 4 symptoms of a bad or falling variable valve timing VVT. Number 1. Poor fuel economy performance. If the CVVT has malfunction, it will fail to control the valves open and close at precise time to optimize the fuel performance and reduce the emission. This will cause fuel consumption dramatically increased. If you sense the fuel performance is poor than before, contact your mechanic to check your vehicle, both VVT and solenoid. Number 2. Check engine light on. Whenever the electrical component is failing, the vehicle's ECU will activate the check engine light to alert us. So when VVT is sending inaccurate data to ECU, ECL will be on and it is telling us to diagnose the potential problems. Number 3. Engine rough idle. VVT adjusts the intake and exhaust valves, open and close timing according to the different engine RPM. If the VVT is failing, the adjustment function will be compromised. Too much oil will flow into VVT gears and cause engine idle rough. The circumstance is significant, obvious during the RPM is at 100 to 300. Number 4. Poor acceleration. The faulty VVT will fail to inform engine for the instant acceleration. You will feel poor acceleration and sometimes the engine misfire appears. So just as we mentioned before, the CVVT system is driven with hydraulic theory, so the clean engine oil and correct viscosity is crucial. The clogged oil with debris will cause the VVT malfunction very easily. The passageway from solenoid to CVVT chain and gears will be clogged up. And similar to Kia Optima exhaust, Hyundai Santa Fe variable valve timing replacement costs around $157 to $380, depends on series level. Any above symptom occurs, better visit the auto service center to check your car first. Earlier you sort out the problems, cheaper cost you may need to spend. And make sure you check the oil level regularly and change the engine oil according to car manufacturer manual to avoid above situation. So, do you have any secret ways to maintain your cars? Do you ever encounter VVT value? Leave a message below to share with us. We will be very happy to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and the little notification bell to make sure you don't miss out any of our videos. Alright friends, stay tuned and we will come back to you very soon. Don't forget to share, subscribe and open notification bell. See you next time.